Hi, Ben here, and me and Lois have been away for a few days in the Lake District, which has been quite amazing. We've had mixed weather. We did have one day with a little bit of sunshine, but mostly it's been rainy and windy and things like that. Now, what I've been carrying most of the time, because obviously we're in a public place, I still wanted to carry a knife with me, but obviously because it's a public space, we wanted to make sure that it was legal. So I was carrying myself one of these new Nomads that I made. Now, this is slightly different to our standard Nomad. I've added extra thick liners to this one, so it's actually made the handle feel really nice and big in the hand, so it almost feels like a full-size knife. And this has got our new AEB-L blade to it, which is actually in 3mm stock. So the slightly thicker blade and the thicker liners really make a full-size feeling knife, but still a friction folder, so still a UK legal knife. Obviously this is sub 3 inches with no mechanical lock, so it's perfect for that legal requirement really. Now, the friction folder itself is on phosphorus bronze washers with a stainless pivot bolt, so a proper pivot bolt, and then we've got a stainless steel stop pin as well. We've also got a stainless steel pin at the back, and then an aluminium thong tube as well. So you've basically got a totally waterproof knife. This is made from G10, this is OD green and black with that real nice striking hunter orange backspacer and liners. Now, what we do with the Nomad itself is we leave the back edge of the blade at this front section square, so you can use it for scraping bark and lighting a fire with your fire steel, but we round all this spur so that it's very comfortable and you can use it for opening bottles and things like that. And you can even use it with a fire steel when the blade is closed, so it's really nice and safe. Now, that nice chunky blade and chunky handle makes a really nice full-size grip, and that blasted texture to the G10, even in these really wet conditions, you're not going to get any problem with your hands slipping on the blade. Obviously this AEB-L steel will cope with this kind of wet environment. This has been totally soaking wet. I even had it in a waterfall the other day and packed away wet, and it's absolutely zero corrosion. So this has got our razor sharp Scandi grind. Being a slightly thicker blade, you've got a slightly wider bevel, so it's actually easier to sharpen. And I've been carrying it in my little Kydex neck sheath, so it sits nicely underneath your jacket. So it's out of show and totally enclosed out of the weather as well. So I've been really enjoying carrying this Nomad over the last few days. Really comfortable to wear, and with the Kydex neck sheath, it has that nice little thumb ramp, so very easy to deploy even one-handed. So, hope you enjoyed seeing what tools we've been using out in the wilds this last few days. So remember to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.